Good evening, fellow learners. Today we will learn to make Live OS which runs without installation. Sounds good. But that is reality. We can make it by making it possible by using Linux operating system. For this we will download a copy from Ubuntu website version 16.04, and in same way we will install. Before we start, disable any antivirus software. Open the Win setup from USB 64-bit version and load a fresh pen drive, and if you are not sure you can format it with built-in format tool. In Add to Disk section select Linux ISO and browse your ISO image download from Ubuntu website. Press Go. It will ask for formatting the pen drive. You have to accept it. Let the process begin and finish. Once it is done it will show Job Done option. Thank you learning. See you in next video.